Well, hello! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy or Potatotatata, and today we're going to do a cooking video. I think most of you don't know I cannot cook. I know, I'm not wife material. So today I looked up online to see which is the easiest thing that I can do, which has less of effort but it's cooking. You need to put in some effort or the other. So before I start, I want to thank Preeti for giving me this suggestion. Thank you, Preeti. Today, what I'm going to make is a chicken rice ball. To all my vegetarian and vegan friends, I am sorry. Please don't leave me. Please don't unsubscribe. Probably there will be another vegetarian alternative to this. So I have the recipe over here. Basically, I found this on Instagram. Instagram page name is Bangla Rana Gore. I've been told that it's a Bengali page, so I'm not sure, probably. So what I'm going to make is similar to a Chinese recipe, and that's called Chicken Flower Dumpling. So it's the same thing. The only difference is the ingredients. So let's just get started. So we need to have 200 grams of chicken breast. So I don't know if you can see it. We have it over here. So this needs to be minced. So we'll do that in a moment. Then we have other ingredients like chopped onions and ginger paste and soya sauce, black pepper, and I have salt over here, but I've been told not to use salt because soya sauce has salt in it. I don't know. I seriously don't know. So let's just mince the chicken. So we got the chicken minced, as you can see. So now I'm going to put the camera towards the cooking method because my face is now not required. So I'm just going to do that, and then we're going to focus on the making of the chicken rice balls. Okay, so now that we have this on focus, okay, so let's see. So we need to mix all the ingredients. So let's just do that. We have onions, 2 tablespoons chopped onions. So I'm just going to put that in. Like this. Okay, then we have ginger paste. I asked my mom to help me about the quantity. It's supposed to be half teaspoon ginger and half teaspoon garlic, the paste. So I'm just gonna put this thing in. Oh god, I hope this is not a mistake. Okay, I trust my mom in this. So okay, this is done. Then we have black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Okay, what is 1 teaspoon? This is half teaspoon. Why am I struggling? Okay, found it. Soya sauce, 1 tablespoon. Tablespoon soya sauce. Go. Okay, now I'm seriously not trusting myself. Okay, I think this is it. Okay, now I put this 1 tablespoon. Okay, I hope this won't be too salty. Now let's just mix it. Mixy. I think this is it. And now we have the rice here as well. This is soaked rice, by the way. So we're going to make balls and we're going to cover it with rice and then put it on the plate. So let's just do that. Should I take more? Okay. Professional YouTuber here. Okay, so we made a ball and then we do this. We cover it with rice like this and we put it on the plate. I think this should be enough for the video. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the steamer and then we'll see how this goes. Wow! So I made this, I even decorated the plate. Gordon Ramsay, would you look at that? Whoa, 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 whoa. So it's ready. Look how pretty it looks. So this is the final form of the chicken rice balls or chicken flour dumplings. So I'm just gonna taste one just to know how it went and if I went wrong. So I'll just take this. It's actually pretty good. Oh my god, did I actually do this? So I think this is it. And that's our cooking show ends here. So yeah, I don't have anything else to say. I just realized the entire process I wasn't wearing an apron. So I think this was a success. And yeah, I think that's it. Thanks Preeti, because of you I did this. I'm never in the kitchen, by the way. I'm always away from the kitchen. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment and subscribe if you're new. You can follow me on my social media. I'm active on Instagram. My @ is Potatotatata, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.